There we go, look, this. And it doesn't need to be perfect, does it? Look, love does not need to be perfect. Because it isn't. Life's not perfect. Now I'm going to wash my fucking thingy about right here. So, here we rock and roll. Dog on bed, as normal. Bastard. Right, this is where you live. So, right, so we're going here. Get out of the fucking way. Right. So here we go. I'm washing this out now. Let me get this fucking out. Oh, no water in there. So I'm cleaning it out now because I'm going to be gluing it soon. So I don't want no fucking shit in there. Oh, I don't want no crap in there because look, I can feel it's still a little bit loose. Oh, fucking Jesus, all over my foot. Look, it's lovely. Right, so there we go. If I can rock and roll, it's time to repair. So I'm cleaning it up now. Let's give it a good old clean. And then I can strip it out of bits of Jimmy Boyle, which is foil, for anyone that don't know the Cockney slang. So a bit of foil, where's Jimmy Boyle? Right, so there you go, right, so that's all cleaned out now. Oh, it's lovely. Turn it off. Make sure the sink's all clean, which it is, as you see. Right, let's rock and roll, shall we? Right, all the products, yes. Here we go. This is park life, you see. So we go around the other parks in which are lovely. And there we go, rear bumper, rear bumper. Rear bumper, rear bumper, rear bumper, rear bumper. Yeah, no, oh, he's risen. I have risen! Bring forth the food! Yeah, no, not when you're having no food. I'm the one that's got to clean up the after effects. Right, so we get me a crappy tail like that, see? That's an old raggy tail. And then you dry the motherfucker out. Like this, see, like this. Sometimes it's faded, disintegrated. Right, so we put that up there. Look at the firm's kickers. Put them over there and standing up in order, but OCD, BCO. Oh, there you go. Right, I'm going to change this started. Alright, so there we rock and roll. Alright, so now I've got to dry this out. So this is quite dry now. And what it does is I'm going to get some Jimmy. This is Jimmy Boyle. Walk down to the kitchen. Oh, fuck me, put your finger in the door, why don't you, while you're there? So, oh, let's turn the light off. Doesn't need to be there. Doesn't need to be there. Oh, right, alright. I've done that. Turn the fucking thing off. Right. Oh no, I did have some. No, that's too thick. That's too thick. Alright. So what I've got to do then is go down to Sainsbury's and purchase some Jimmy Boyle, which I will do now. And then by the time I get back, that'll be dry anyway. Then I got to put some sheets of thick Jimmy on bundle. Disintegrated. Oh, he's up! He's up the boy. Oh, so he is. Oh, he's got a bit of life in him. What's this doing hanging about there like that? Oh, Jesus. I need hangers as well, you know. Oh, he's eating. Always munching, so that means dog food all over the fucking floor here. Why do dogs do that? So he gets out the fucking bowl, drops it on the floor, and then munches it. Come on, Chubsy, show us. Off the floor, so. He's a right floor fucking dog. Obviously I've not got no poisonous food up here for him. But some freak is doing that. Look, there you go, look. So he drops it on the mat, look. And then he munches it. He's a fucking crazy hound. It's a crazy mixed up kitten. That's all I can say. Is you as a crazy mixed up kitten, aren't you? Yes, you.